What if I told you that right now you're probably getting taxed twice and you're not even aware of it? And with all the changes in Trump's new 2025 economic plan, this is actually the perfect time to take control of your money, not just to save, but to build real, lasting wealth. This is not just for Americans. So, if you're watching from anywhere around the world, this message is for you. Because money moves, yes, may change, but financial wisdom is simply universal. Hey family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Coach Lola Owokoniran here, your Kingdom Wealth mentor and coach. Here I teach you how to build wealth, live with purpose, and leave a legacy. One smart money move at a time. That's all it takes. With intentionality, it takes you a long way on your financial journey. Now, if you're new here, seeing my beautiful face for the first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Tap the bell because I don't want you to miss a single video we upload every week. A single breakthrough that could, most importantly, change your financial future and that of your families. Now, let's talk about how to actually profit from Trump's new 2025 economic plan and how to stop letting the government eat up your hard-earned money. So, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act signed July 4th of 2025 brought some major tax changes, but most people don't really know how to benefit from it. Here are the top things you should know and do something about it. Firstly, standard deduction increased. That means more of your income is protected from taxes. Child tax credits up to $3,000 per child. Now, that's real money for families raising the next generation. Now we have new Trump accounts, which are special tax advantaged savings for retirement, education, or healthcare. We also have the expanded 529 and HSA contributions. HSA stands for Health Savings Accounts. They are now offering more room to grow your money tax-free for medical and educational costs. According to the US Treasury, this could save the average household up to $3,700 per year in taxes. Now, but the big question here is, what are you doing with that savings? Because saving money is not the same as building wealth. Now, let me be real with you. Most of us are getting taxed twice, and we don't even realize it. Here's how it happens. You earn income from your job, boom, you're taxed. All kind of taxes on your paycheck. You save or invest that income, maybe in a 401k or an IRA. Later, when you pull that money out, you are taxed again. That's double taxation. Now imagine this. You retire and withdraw, say, $100,000 from your 401k. Depending on your tax bracket, you could lose $25,000 or more, right back to Uncle Sam, the IRS. That's not wealth building. that wealth leaking. Your wealth is leaking. This is why I always say, you don't just need a tax refund. You need a tax strategy. Here is where the real opportunity lies, and this applies globally. If you want to take control of your taxes and income, start a business. Yes, even a small side business, online store, service, or a consultancy. Why? Because the tax system favors entrepreneurs, not employees. Let me break it down. Business owner versus employee. As an employee, you get taxed before you spend. You have little to no deductions. You rely on one stream of income. On the other hand, as a business owner, you earn, spend, then pay taxes. Big difference, right? You can write out business expenses, home office, phone, internet, your car, your meals, your travel. You can hire your kids and shift income legally. You can defer taxes and control your income flow. But don't just hustle. Structure it the right way. Register your business legally with the right structure, like an LLC or an S Corp, so you can access this tax benefit the right way. And yes, I help my clients do that too. So reach out to us here at Emini World to help with this service. Now, let me introduce you to one of the most powerful tools I use with my clients. IUL, Indexed Universal Life Insurance. I know. When people hear life insurance, they think, oh, death. No, please don't think that way. I'm talking about living benefits that you get to enjoy while you are alive. You enjoy your insurance, your life insurance. And here's how an IUL truly works. Your money grows tax-free. You are not exposed to stock market risk. You can borrow against it for college, business, emergencies. And if you choose, you can even just take the money out without borrowing from it because it's your money, your cash flow in that policy. You pay no taxes when you withdraw the money. That's the beautiful thing about this as a wealth building tool, tax-free. You leave a tax-free inheritance for your money, for your family, for generations to come. IULs are like having your own private bank, but in this case, you are in control. This is one of the strategies I use with my clients. Angela, I'll call her a single mom, and she took part of her tax refund and opened an IUL. Now her money is protected, growing, and her daughter's college is already taken care of. You don't need to be wealthy to start. You just need a plan, a strategy, and someone to guide you on your financial journey to achieve your financial goals. Ultimately, because everyone's journey is different. Everyone's numbers are different. Your numbers always tell a story. And listen, this wisdom is not just for people in the US. If you live in Canada, Nigeria, the UK, Ghana, the Caribbean, your country also rewards business owners and long-term planners. Learn how taxes work where you live. Start a business and structure it. Use tools available to grow money tax-free or tax-deferred. And most importantly, keep God at the center of it all. Because this is much bigger than just money. It's about purpose, impact, and legacy. Now, you know I can't do a video like this without bringing God into the picture. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 22 says, a good man, which is one of my favorite scriptures, a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. That is legacy thinking. For the Word of God to put that, to include legacy in the Holy Scriptures, for God to think about it, that means this is a principle that is close to God's heart. That is kingdom wealth. That's what we are building. Your wealth journey is not just about stacking money or putting money in your bank account. It's about aligning with God's plan for your life. So if you've been praying for a sign, this might be it. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building, book your free consultation with me today. Together, we'll review your current financial setup. We'll explore tax saving strategies like IULs, help you start and structure your business the right way, that is, the right way, the legal way. Create a personalized wealth plan that aligns with your faith and your future. Whether you're 21 or 61, full-time, business owner, or simply freelancing, I can help you. The link is in the description section of this video below. When you book, I'll send you my free financial reset workbook as well to get started. Now, if this video truly blessed you, taught you something, or made you say, wait a minute, why didn't they teach me this in school? Like this video, share it with someone who needs this message, who needs to hear this. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Just few clicks. Support our channel. Support this channel, please. We drop money wisdom every week to help you build, grow, and thrive. Help us drop a comment. Coach Lola, I'm ready to stop being taxed twice. I always love to hear from you. Let me leave you with this. You don't need $1 million to start building wealth. You just need a clear vision, God's guidance, and a smart plan. This is Coach Lola Owokoniran reminding you today, your financial future is not about luck. It's about legacy. Building with intentionality in mind. Taking one step at a time. Start where you are. Start small if you have to. Let's build it together. One day at a time. See you in the next video. Bye for now.